Menta kesengi ka Citerik jong ubna yayong arjar arpuar lalaban Penteri Kampura ya ke Interstate Bus Terminus lane ka ISBT kabudan hamawyong hagbala kermen baka jingla ban Penteri Kamno ya kene ke jeka peniang kali kan penkelu ya ke Sor Selong kamtam ya ke jeka peniang bos Apollo bat kumjuru ke jingdheng kali ke baman kapor kumban syupen kan mau bagane ke jeka peniang kali ke bahe bha ban lechong ye ki kali ki bayaj na kawai ke jela sya kawai pan lawan ban pelipat ba ada menteri ke sorkar kami wa Amit Shah hau ne usnem mo beladab Henry ka jingdon kam bandang penbiang syusyu ye ki katto ke ne ki kam ki badang sa na ke Meghalaya Transport Corporation klem patla ban penteri kamno baro shi kata Henry menta kesengi lalaban Penteri Kampura no ia kene kejaka peniang kali kebala cenaha kejenglut ke bahadu sau pupra kelur lai puwai laktam ia kebala bay tengka da ke North Eastern Council badla kermen ru ba kejengla ban Penteri Kampura ia kene kejaka peniang kali kan penkelut ia ke Sor Selong.
My name is Mr. Peter Bok Nyota. I'm Deputy General Manager looking after operation, and I would like to inform the public that ISBT Shillong was made operational from today, the 1st April 2022, and then some facilities like ticket counter and 1 or 2 shops have been opened. And the response from the bus operator is also good, as many buses have arrived in the ISBT, and we expect that more buses will be operated soon from this ISBT.